What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kelly Builds, and today I'm going to be going on this little guy. This is one of the pieces that we just got from our California haul. Let's see if I get a nice little look at it for you guys. So I'm going to be removing the panel below the deck lid to reveal this inner structure that we need in here. So I'm going to be, Trav did this first right here. Ow! So I'm going to be marking all the spot welds with this, using this, the screwdriver and the little hammer, and I'm going to be lifting this up because we're going to be using, I don't remember exactly what we're doing here. So one's going to be on my car, and then the other one, Travis is going to be making another. I don't really know what's the plan here. We're kind of still trying to figure out whose car is going to have what, and like we both kind of want different things with our car. So once we figure that out, I think it'll be a little easier moving forward with what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Okay, I got my ears in, so I feel like I'm gonna be talking extra loud because I can't hear myself. So just feeling for the indents of these spot welds. Okay. That's all set. I'm not wearing gloves because with rotating stuff I learned I am not supposed to wear gloves. So not wearing gloves, it feels a little weird not wearing gloves, honestly, because I feel like that's usually like the right thing to do. So yeah, ears are in, glasses, no gloves. Maybe I'll just take my rings off because, you know, they're pretty special. And then I'll just get right into it. I guess I'll show you guys this where I did it quick. Trash man's here. So here, 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 and there. Always feels like high pressure doing stuff with these cars because they're so hard to get. I hope that you can even hear me. They're so hard to get, so I don't want to be the one that messes it up.
just keep it there.
You moved it.
Move what? No. This. Don't go like this. Just
but I thought
leave it
if
there.
I left it there, then I would like do something bad.
Could, possibly. You need to do more. You need to do more.
Well, I'm holding it with my...
We'll turn it around.
Okay, pry bar, you know.
Prying out.
And then down there.
Over there.
I feel like I'm gonna do something bad.
It's not gonna get much worse than it is. So.
Not live. You don't care about this part anyway.
No. Gotta get it done.
Can I really push it?
Yeah,
The
we'll
end's
just
bending,
use-
so I try and pull the thing out.
Okay, pull that piece right out.
This one?
No, the center piece.
That one, yeah.
Whoa.
Hey.
Yep.
Done. That's what we need.
Sick, look at that.
Yay!
Man.
Do. Sick. That's what it looked like, but you showed me in the picture.
Boom. Rear section.
Kind of stinks with those.
Wanna go up and
Pulls all the gaskets.
upstairs and get the other skin? In front of the stairs with all the 32 stuff.
Alright.
And he's gonna get the other skin, and it should just go right over this, because this is just, you know, what we need. But we need to sandblast this and make it look better. Maybe tweak it up a bit. This is bent here and here, but yeah, grind those off. One of the templates he gave me.
All right, so that piece is out. That obviously piece of crap, but we do have that piece, so we're gonna see if that will just slide in. Jacob's in the hot rod attic. Oh, and look at that. Travis has it right here. So let's see how it fits in there. The metal extraordinaire. Look at that. Before 2002. Thoughts? Thoughts?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. I don't know. I don't know if this just gets supposed to be bent down a lot. Hey, the cap on that on the bottom.
Yeah, that's good.
Beautiful sunny day.
But yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. With the nice.
Why would it be like that?
Yeah, this one was kind of like that.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
6 pounds of rust all out of it.
It doesn't seem right though.
Down like that. I just don't think they made this part on the bottom. They just kind of, they did a little bit, but it's not enough.
So what would you do?
Yeah, make a profile die and
Run it through?
send it through. Get it down more.
Is that indent for the gas tank?
Filler, yeah.
Oh, I guess it. So as you guys just saw, Travis put it together right here. So I'm just gonna, we like kind of took it apart and looked at all this different stuff. I'm gonna put it back together. It doesn't fit perfect, but, and then I'm just gonna put it in the back of the car just so we can get like a little visual of what it's supposed to look like. Of course, there's still like many things that need to be done, but you know.
Yeah, that.
Okay, follow me. Now I gotta whip and then So, like I said, not a perfect fit, but mostly just to get a visual of like what it's going to look like, you know?
Put this lid on this, and that's kind of about where we.
Like that. I don't know how much you can see. So where do you want this to go? All right, so now I got this piece here. I'm gonna put it in the sandblasting cabinet that we have. Shout out to Eastwood. I hope that it fits. I'm like 99% sure that it will. And then probably just start the process of blasting this, and then we will put it in some primer. I'm not sure if we have any at the moment, if I'm being honest. So kind of just see what we can accomplish, because you know, that's what your girl's all about.
Trim it later. I just don't like to cut it all at once and it works out.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so I'll just show you guys quick. It actually fits perfect in here.
Not too much.
Perfect fit. So now I'll just get this shut and then I will start to blast it. How do I do it? Just on this, like normal? How do you do this?
Yeah, normal.
Huh?
Normal. You gotta press though.
What a weird angle though.
Yeah, it's that angle. Yeah, we can change it out.
Well, just leave it off for now. Just try to do as much as I can. So I'm like, so I thought I was good, but like literally can't see. Oh, I didn't know you were right behind me. Can't hear, I got the earplugs in. So we have to change this out because it's like Trav just fixed that, and now, oh, my phone. Now,
I don't grab them, I just kind of hold them.
now you can see.
When you get a tack on it.
Let's try that again. I'm just gonna stick you guys on a time lapse because this is gonna be really boring. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I'm gonna finish sandblasting tonight while Trav and I are out here. He's going to be doing some stuff. I don't know where he just put the piece. Trav is gonna be working on this tonight, smoothing this out. I'm gonna be doing, don't want it to fall. I'm gonna be doing the blasting cabinet tonight. Again, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna have the videos. I'm probably gonna be recording something as well tonight, so perhaps that video will be in a new video. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm open to what you guys think works, or if you're just kind of cool with going with the flow of these videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you next time.